The Channel Mom Show, celebrating you with Jenny Dean Schmidt.
Brought to you by Pediatric Dental Group of Colorado, creating positive and rewarding dental visits for kids of all ages since 1977.
She's Mom's CEO. What happens when a mom not only runs her household, she runs her own company too? Find out how these moms do it. The money, the mayhem, the motivation to change the world with this edition of Mom's CEO.
Love it. Okay, healthcare, a very big issue, and paying for healthcare in this economy, getting good healthcare, an even bigger issue. This mom wants to help people deal with those big issues, and we've got a mom who has this woman has a degree in engineering and as well as a master's. She worked for 15 years in the oil and gas industries with all those guys, because I'm sure it was a lot of guys. Love her. She's highly passionate about health issues, and she is the CEO of Crazy for Nutrition, which serves the Denver corporate world through corporate wellness and the Corporate Wellness Emporium. Welcome, Anne-Marie McDermott. You only have like 5 minutes, but we're going to get through it all, I promise. Tell me, first of all, as a mom, tell me about your mom story.
I'm a degreed engineer and worked 15 years, have 2 children of my own, and really a passion. I'm a cervical cancer survivor, so really have a passion for nutrition and empowering people to have choices when it comes to their health care.
Yeah. And after you had children, I believe you told me that your interest in helping families to be healthy was spiked by that.
Correct, because we have such an epidemic of disease in this country, not only amongst adults, but with children.
Yeah.
40 years ago, we didn't have hospitals with pediatric cancer, and now they're filled with cancer for children.
Yeah.
And so the ability to give people choices in their health care, provide alternative outside of the Western medicine is really my passion and my drive.
And how do you do, we're going to have you describe your business here in a second. How do you do it? Because I know there are a lot of moms out there who would like to run their own businesses. How do you balance, because I have to do it too, being a mommy, being a good mommy, and running a business as a CEO?
It's a choice. I'm blessed with a good supportive family structure, and my kids are very supportive. They're in tune with their own health, and so it really drives me. And I just find little ways to put it in my day, and I really work 3 days a week. I'm a mom the rest of the time, but I have preschool. I have a 3-year-old, so he's in preschool 3 days, and the rest of the time he's with me, and he's either my hip buddy or I do it during his school time.
That's a great balance, Anne-Marie. I congratulate you for that. And I'm so glad to hear that you are a cancer survivor. We're blessed to have you on the earth still. And you are very healthy and you focus on it. So tell us what you do with Crazy for Nutrition and how you help the corporate world have access to tell me the thing you told me about how we open these health guides and we don't know what to do.
So I have a collaboration of incredible practitioners. And the practitioners are more on the holistic and wellness, so chiropractic, naturopath, massage, psychotherapy, leadership training, all of these things. And what we do is we go into companies, because I know 15 years in the oil and gas and every other industry, they don't leave their office unless it comes to them.
Yeah.
And so this all started because I'm given my healthcare package that my husband provides through his company. And I'm just hoping I'm going to pick a good doc because I don't know his name. I don't know who he is. So I said, why can't we bring these practitioners to the people and give them a lunch and learn or a workshop? And they're spending 1 hour with this practitioner more on a 15 people kind of setting with a healthy lunch. And if they choose to engage with that practitioner after that event, that's their choice. But now they've had an opportunity to meet them.
So they're not just going to their healthcare guide, taking a pin and just saying, "Oh, please let this land on a good person." I don't even know how what their office is like. I don't know what kind of doctor they are. I don't know if I can trust them.
Right.
Instead, you're bringing holistic doctors to them and saying, "Check them out, listen to them, think what they have to say. They'll teach you a few things."
We always have a topic.
Yeah.
And, anywhere from spinal hygiene, which I'm a daughter of a dentist. I had no idea there was spinal hygiene. I thought that was for your mouth.
Yeah.
So spinal hygiene. We are doing the care and feeding of your emotions. And that's so applicable not only to women, but to men. When we hold our emotions in, it portrays out as a disease.
It does.
Many
It's
times
cancer.
in cancer.
Yeah, that's right. I mean, stress leads to cancer.
Absolutely. So we have an incredible talented psychotherapist that is an incredible woman that's doing talks. And you should know that you can engage with my company for your company. We can come to you, and this is such a tailored and customized program. So, maybe you don't want it on a monthly, but you want some a la carte services. Maybe you want a massage therapist once a month at your office to do hour massages for your employees.
And so how do people get a hold of you?
So you can get me on the via email, AnnMarie@crazyfornutrition.com.
Okay.
I think you're going to post my contact phone
I'll
number.
post your contact on our website, ChannelMom.com, and also on Facebook.com/ChannelMom.
Okay. We have newsletter once a month, as well as an email that goes out on the events coming for the following month. You're welcome to attend any event that's around the Denver metro area. Just get on my email list distribution, and you will be notified when those are coming up.
And they can invite you to come to their corporation.
And absolutely.
Okay, so we'll put it on Facebook.com/ChannelMom, and so
Correct.
people can get a hold of you.
Yeah.
Awesome. Wonderful. Thank you, Anne-Marie. You're
Thank
wonderful.
you.
Thanks for being on Mom CEO.